I got my van back. I can't thank everyone enough. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You helped me out a tight spot there. Oops. New boots. Nice thick tread on them. Kid needs new boots next. I don't know what the light on the dash was. Seatbelt, airbag, something or other. But that's gone. Anyway, yeah, got my van back. Thank you. Thank you very much. I've been editing that 8 hours of film for the... I'll go inside. I've edited that 8 hours of film, you know, I've cut it down, I don't know, it was 130 clips or something like that. I cut it down into like an hour and a half, I think. Hour and 40 minutes. 530, something like that, different little cuts. But I'll get that rendered out, get it uploaded as soon as I can. And again, thank you again for the donations. So thank you, much appreciated.